Good morning, guys. It is beautiful and snowy out. We're about to go to an ultrasound, check on the baby. Should be just all standard normal stuff. See you in a little bit. At Mayheck, waiting for Laura to get out. Kids are having fun in the van, but it is coming down pretty hard, and there's a pretty steep hill coming out of here. Good afternoon, guys. It's a snow day, so I'm going to use that liberty to repair my iPhone 5S and swap out the home button because it currently does not work. I'm also multitasking, making steak fajitas right now, so yeah. As a disclaimer, I'm typically not the best with fixing iPhones, so we'll see how this goes. Looks like the home button is soldered to the board. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take the screen from this guy and throw it on this guy. So go ahead and do that. Just took a lunch break and back to it. All right, in short, I am deeming this one an epic fail. So I started with this with the idea that I just pop the home screen off, grab this home button out of here, but problem with that is it's soldered completely onto the motherboard. Went ahead and thought, hey, I can remove a screen from here and then throw it on the one that's good. Yeah, it's jacked. So epic fail, but now you know.